what's up, Sam here. Today we are taking a look at the REETLE SmartInk 1, a phone case that basically transforms your iPhone into a smarter, more versatile e-ink device. It claims to replace your traditional e-reader, give you a glare-free, paper-like display for reading outdoors, offer up to 10 hours of reading time, and let you import articles or books with just one tap. On top of that, it doubles as a pocket air recorder that can transcribe and summarize your voice notes, and even works as a customizable widget hub for tasks, QR codes, and more. It's slim, tough, MagSafe charged, and honestly feels like a product aiming to be your everyday smart assistant, not just a screen on the back of your phone. But is it really that good? In this video, let's test every feature and see if REETLE is actually worth the money. The packaging uses this cool book-style box. Inside, we get the case and a magnetic pad. That's it. Looking at the case, we can see a record button and a power button. Down here is the main part of the whole experience. 3.97 inch 480 by 800 e-ink screen. We'll get to that in a bit. The inside of the phone case has a soft felt-like layer, which feels really nice to the touch. Overall, the case feels slim and premium. It's just 4mm thin, it's lightweight, yet the tempered glass and corner guards give it a solid drop protection. Let me walk you through the gesture controls. Press and hold the power button to lock the screensaver, or just press it once to unlock it. You'll see the lock icon in the upper right corner disappear. Swipe up to enter the settings. Here you can choose different styles for the screensaver. The default is the to-dos widget. Press the power button once to confirm, and the screensaver will switch to to-dos. And that's basically all the gestures. Give it a couple minutes and you get familiar with it in no time. Now, a phone case is still a phone case, so you might wonder what makes this one special. Well, aside from normal protection, it currently offers 3 major functions. Let me show you each one. In the REETLE app, go to Album and tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Upload the image you want, wait a few seconds, and it will appear in your album. Tap the image and you can apply some interesting AI styles like print or sketch. After that, just tap Send to Case, and the customized photo will appear on the phone case as your new screensaver. The second big feature is voice recording. No matter what screen you're on, as long as the e-ink display isn't locked, you can just press the record button and it starts recording. The mic icon turns from muted to active, meaning it's capturing audio. I tested it with about a 1-minute script. While recording, I tapped into the recording folder and saw the live recording interface. After finishing, I pressed the stop button and it generated an audio file instantly. And then, tap the plus icon to find the recording you just created and upload it to the phone. Hold down once on the page and the newly uploaded file will appear in the list. Tap the audio file and it will automatically transcribe. And the transcription seems quite accurate. When you tap summary, it generates all the key points from the recording. Then you can extract the to-dos and send them directly to the case. Once imported, the to-dos will show up on your e-ink screensaver. To make things easier, it even includes a mind map feature where you get a clearer, step-by-step breakdown of the content. And you can also share the results to other apps. Of course, one of the highlights of REETLE is ebook reading. You can upload your favorite ebooks and enjoy them without usual distractions. We live in an age of information overload. It's so easy to get pulled away by notifications and random content. The e-ink display gives you a truly distraction-free reading experience. The REETLE SmartInk 1 promises a paper-like screen that stays clear even under sunlight. Whether you are commuting, standing in line, or relaxing outside, it really does feel like reading a physical book without eye strain. REETLE claims up to 10 hours continuous reading and 7 days of standby. In my testing, I got pretty close to that 10-hour mark, and the standby time was genuinely reliable. And that's basically all the features I can test right now on this REETLE prototype. I spent a week using it in daily life. Reading articles during commutes felt comfortable and easy on the eyes. The voice recorder was impressively accurate, And the summary feature was genuinely helpful. Widget switching felt intuitive, and having to-dos or QR codes at a glance was surprisingly convenient. Overall, the case feels more like a smart assistant than just an accessory. But there are downsides. Like all e-ink screens, it isn't as responsive or smooth as the AMOLED display on your phone. The software still has a few untranslated bits here and there, and right now, they don't offer models for the newest iPhone 17 series. I talked to the REETLE team, they actually started this project before the iPhone 17 even launched, but the R&D process ended up being more challenging than expected. So is the REETLE SmartInk one worth it? For anyone who reads often, commutes, or wants a pocket-sized productivity hub, it's a solid option. It combines e-ink reading, transcription, and smart widgets into a sleek, always connect case. While it has many limitations, and responsiveness, battery under heavy use, and software polish, the convenience and versatility outweigh these issues. And if you're interested, you can check out the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.